फिटनेस डायबिटीज मैनेज इन आपका साथी। डायबिटीज एक चैलेंजिंग कंडीशन है, these lakhs of people को अफेक्ट करता है, लेकिन एक गुड न्यूज है, you diabetes manage go can go and एक healthy life live can go। फिटनेस इसमें एक की रोल प्लेस करता है। दिस गाइड आपको बताइएगा कैसे हम एक्सरसाइज थ्रू बेनिफिट्स एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, हम आपको एक फिटनेस प्लान बनाने में हेल्प करेंगे, एंड हम टिप्स शेयर करेंगे मोटिवेटेड स्टे थ्रू 4। योर डॉक्टर फ्रॉम कंसल्ट करना रिमाइंड रखिए, वो आपको पर्सनलाइज्ड एडवाइस टू कैन गो। चलिए आईएसएस जर्नी टू साथ इन निकालते गो, आपकी हेल्थ प्रेशर्स हाई। Exercise diabetes through 4 medicine of types high. These AEPK body ko insulin of use better way from manage in help Carter high. These blood sugar levels KO control manage in help Carter high. Physical activity through and also benefits go. These आपको weight lose manage your healthy weight maintain manage in help Carter high. These आपके heart को strong makes है and blood flow improve करता है. Regular exercise आपके mood को boosts करता है. These stress lose karta high and sleep in improvement karta high. These sab overall well-being through for important go. Remind rakai, har activity counts karta high. IC activity find who you enjoy do go. These USA stick karna easy make. Fitness plan making daunting seem might high. Lekin aisa hona necessary nahi high. Realistic goals set kaki start Kareen. Your doctor from Talk Kareen. Wow, आपके fitness level of assessment go can go. Whoa, safe exercises also recommend go can go. Gradually your workouts of intensity and duration increase your body of listen and when zarurat made to rest days take. IC activity choose Karain who you enjoy to go. These chances bad hayega of you your plan from stick will. Exercise many types through our go. Harik through unique benefits go. Aerobic exercise, aapki heart KO pumping karta high. Examples in brisk walking, swimming and dancing included go. Strength training, muscle mass build karta high. These aapki body ko glucose of use more efficiently manage and help karta high. Weights lifting your resistance bands use manage of try Karain. Flexibility exercises range of motion improve do go. These overall mobility through for important high. Yoga and Pilates great options go. IC activity choose Karain who you enjoy do go. Cheese on co interesting banan through for mix Karain. Section 5. Active stay through for practical tips. Fitness KO habit making. Physical activity ka. Your daily routine in included Karin. Lift of instead stairs of use Karin. If possible made to work to walk, go your bike ride. Eek workout, buddy find eek partner having from you accountable and motivated will. Realistic goals set, Kareen and apnea progress track Kareen, apnea achievements celebrate Kareen, whether woe, however also small, why not may. New activities try manage from not hesitate, may might high of apko ek naya passion find go. Section 6. Nutrition and fitness diabetes. Management through for eek winning combination. Nutrition and fitness together go go. You what eat go, these EPK energy levels and blood sugar control KO affect Carter high. Nutrient-rich foods choose Karain. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein and healthy fats to focus Karain. Plenty of water drink go hydrated stay. Sugary drinks and processed foods limit Karain. Ek registered dietitian from Consult Karain. Wo apko ek personalized meal plan banana and help go can go. Section 7. Challenges from Parpana, your fitness journey and motivated staying. Ace days will come when APCO motivation of lack will be, these normal high. Discouraged not may. Your UCO exercise through benefits of remind yourself. Think of these APCO kitna good feel makes high. Your workouts go smaller, more manageable chunks in break karin. Milestones to Pahanchne on your UCO reward give, your UCO supportive people from surround. Apna journey share Karin and apni successes South and celebrate Karin. Section 8. Real-life inspiration, fitness through diabetes on victory of stories. Meet Sarah from EK 45-year of woman who type 2 diabetes diagnosed was a go. She fitness through apnea life changed completely. She smaller walks from start of and gradually intensity bad high. She weight lose did. Your blood sugar control and improvement did. And apnea confidence regained did. John EK 60-year of man who also fitness and hope found. Regular exercise and healthy diet through she your prediabetes co reverse go dia. These stories prove that go of apnea health co-control in lean in never too late nahi is. Section 9, Conclusion, Apni Health Ko Your Hands Intake. Today start fitness, apnana start do. Diabetes manage through for lifelong commitment of Zarurat is high. Fitness ISS journey of EK essential part high. Remind Rakhiye, her step counts karta high. IC activity find who you enjoy, do go, and unhi your routine of partner. Apni progress, celebrate Karain and support asking from not hesitate. You, these go can go. Fitness adopt and AK healthy, happier life GA.